Okay. So today what we are going to do is it's a beginner's course. I just initially put for 3 weeks. Depending on how much you can take, maybe it might go for 4 or 5 weeks. Let's see what happens. Today it's going to be very basic. That's what I thought. But if you are assimilating more, then I can give you more. Okay, so first slide I just put it because it's in association with Bharati Mandir, Kids Tech Charitable Trust. I just want to share a couple of lines as to how this Kids Tech Charitable Trust came into existence. In 2016, I signed up for a mentorship for a game development course. Game development competition for high school kids. And as I became a mentor, what happened was they taught us for 2 years, 2 hours, a software called Construct 2. And I was coming back on that day after the training, and I was thinking, I used to volunteer in Bal Vikas. I was thinking, this program seems to be very easy. Why not teach a few kids who are in primary, even though the program is for high school kids? So I wanted to teach. So immediately I got, it was pouring rain, and I was so excited. I called Jyoti, and then she said, I asked, should we start these classes? I feel we should do at least for 10 kids. So as you know, she said she's always ready to say okay. So I think we decided. I decided on Saturday. We started the classes every Monday. Coming Monday. So within 2 days, we just prepared a one-page brochure and then did that. And I shared this news with the authorities who are conducting the competition, and they said, why not you submit some games? So after 2 months, the date was 25th September, I still remember, 2016. We submitted 9 games, and 12 kids attended, a couple of group games, and that day was the competition results day, and they had some criteria. Their fun was 60%, and I think they selected the top 5 in each category, individual category and the group category. Individual category में हमारे 2 बच्चे select. That's enough for me, I thought. But then when they have chosen, they were given some time to prepare, to present their game. These kids, the story they have weaved. It's a simple game, platform game, but the story they have weaved, maybe that has got their 2nd and 3rd prizes. That's what motivated me to teach kids. So every year now I use SQL and Power BI. I run a 12 weeks course. This year I haven't started for this Bharati Mandir group yet, but I did it for India batch because Satyasai organization in India coached me to conduct Power BI classes. So I took that for 12 weeks, and then we did a competition online. It was really successful, and they were really happy. So I need to start Power BI as well here after this Excel. So that's when last year we thought, why do individually? We just floated trust. So didn't get any funding or anything like that, but it's just there as an entity. So yeah, so that's how Kids Tech has gone. So now we'll go to the agenda today. Agenda is not much, it's just simple. Simple, 4 letters. Only 4 today. How to get started with Excel. Okay, by the way, what is Excel? I don't want the kids to answer, I want the adults to answer. No, Roshni, no. What is Excel? I want everyone to answer, just at least one sentence, one word. The spreadsheet. Okay. No, you have to tell something else. What does it contain? What is your aim to?
It's got columns and cells and fields and
don't tell me much. Okay, Geeta
Used for database.
Okay. I don't know your name. Sorry. Tell something. So what did you think of learning and coming here? So even you can tell that. More things. Okay. Rakiji. Learn Excel. So what the okay, so okay. Main method. Data entry, that's good. I don't know your name, so Nita. Amita. Good. What's your name? Sorry? Okay. What is Excel? What are you thinking? Sorry? Startup. Okay. Yeah, okay. Opposite Rakiji, yellow sweater. What is Excel? Software. Perfect. Okay. What's your name? Nitu. Ritu. Okay. What is Excel? Yeah. Okay. What is Excel? Data entry. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, very much I didn't think of teaching. Maybe I will in advance we can do. Vinaya.
Yes. Since she just remembers we used to do in the bank the calculation, interest calculation. If something goes wrong in our common software, we used to just put it in the Excel and just get it, how did we miss out something in there? So we used to do that. Yeah, so just export there and just try to work out.
Okay. That's good.
And is it also used for mass calculations?
Yes, you can do whatever with Excel. You can do a lot with Excel. So, okay, so that is the PowerPoint. That is just for me to give me some pointers as to what I need to teach. Okay, getting started with Excel. Who knows how to get started? Everyone knows? Who doesn't know how to get started? Okay. Who knows how to get started? Sorry, who doesn't know how to get started? You don't know how to get started with Excel? No? Okay. Who else? You don't know? Good. Who else? Yeah, you also don't know. Adults may everyone knows how to get started? Yes? No? All right. Okay, yeah. Just waiting for a couple of minutes. Okay, who is going to tell me how we can get started with Excel? Internet. Okay.
Is it playing up or?
Yeah, I think so. That's okay. Yeah, so I'm typing up. Actually, I can see here if you use it frequently, it will come in the top. So I'm just can you all see here? Yes? Or you can type, if you can't see, you can type EXCEL. What's the spelling of Excel? EXCEL. Okay. Okay, so click on that. Does everyone have Excel? Yes? Who doesn't have? Who doesn't have? Do you have? Yes, okay. So open, when you click on that, see, you see a blank workbook. Can you see a blank workbook like this here? Yes, okay. So click on that. It's a new blank workbook. You are opening a new blank workbook. So first aim is achieved. We all know how to get started, right? Yay, one thing. That's Google Forms, yeah. Yeah. Online.
Google Sheets. Google Sheets.
Okay, and
Google Sheets.
that is Google Sheets. Yeah, that's Google Sheets, yeah. Okay, let's cover that maybe a bit later.
Okay.
No, I think Jyotiji is asking if somebody does not have MS Office installed in their laptop, they can use it on.
Is it, no, she's talking about Google.
Everybody has. got
Is
it.
since everyone has got, yes.
So she will teach, but
Hmm.
yeah, it will be good to learn that.
Okay. Did everyone log in? Everyone open a new workbook?
Yes.
There is something. If anyone needs help, Reena is there, Harsha is there, Medha is there, Smriti is there. Jyotiji, aap baithiye. Because you are not well, I know. Reena, okay?
I think Rina, you take JPG's passport and Hey, what are you doing? Beta. Hey, that was you, wasn't it? That was you, Beta. I was doing what? Beta's pinching her leg. That's what's happening. I didn't pinch your leg. That's not good for you. It can, over time, it makes your eyes completely go like this. That's not good for you. Do you want glasses? You want glasses? It gets really heavy. And even if you don't have glasses, like your eyes, you have to look at it like this. Don't do it. It's not good for you. Yeah, but don't do it. It's not good for you. Your eyes are not supposed to go all the way down. What do you mean don't do it? Don't do it.
Hello. Hello, mic testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. What now? Let's discuss. Okay, I'm not teaching. I'm learning from you. Okay. What can you see? Yeah.
Spreadsheets.
Sheet. Okay.
Those columns.
Yeah, columns and rows. What is a column? Yeah. Like this, right? Vertical.
A bunch of cells.
Yeah. So it's a vertical. So this is a column. Okay. Which I highlighted. It's not showing properly. Is it okay? Can you see properly? Column. See, that's a column. Okay. And what else can you see?
Cells.
Horizontal. What is horizontal called? Rows. So rows, I'm putting it in, let's say, some color. Okay. Okay. What? Where is my cursor? What is that called? It's a cell because it is just a rectangle box highlighted. Okay. Now there is something called cell address. Who can tell what the cell address is?
20.
E10. Yeah. What does E10 mean? So E10, how did she tell that it is E10? No, how did she tell that it is eaten? I want somebody from those two tables. I want somebody from those two tables, please. Rakiji. What is, how does she tell, how did she tell that it is E10? The cell address is E10. What does that mean? Did you understand what a column is? What is the row? Okay. See now, this here, this is a cell. See that rectangle? Okay. Oh, that is not visible properly. That is a cell, that red color. Okay. That cell, there is something, it's a terminology in Excel which is referred to as cell address. And I asked, what is cell address? And somebody told E10. What does that mean to you? Okay, let me get back. Kids, please, I know that you know, please. I want please to understand, okay? Okay, see, this is a column, right? This is a column. This is a column. What is the address of the column? A, right? And what is this column? Not 1, 2 rows, please. Okay, what is this column from the two tables? K. You can see, right? Okay. Okay, so that is K column, right? Okay. What is this row? From the other two columns, tables. What is the row? 4, yes. And here, Rakiji, that is the which column? F, right. So now you answer. What is this cell address? When she told, it is, what did you tell?
E10.
E10. So what is that? What does that mean? Where it meets. So E column and 10th cell. Okay, E column and 10th cell.
The meeting point of E column.
Yeah. So understood?
Yeah.
That is the cell. What is it called? Cell reference. Yes, that's true. Cell reference. Cell reference. Okay. So what? Okay. What is this whole thing called? This whole area. That is, I'm giving you a hint. It was the second line in my agenda. Who remembers the agenda? Kids, please know. Yes, who told that? Workspace? Yes, very good. Yeah, good memory. Workspace. This whole thing is called workspace. Okay, we are trying to understand the Excel workspace. Okay, now what else? Okay, we did that. Okay, now what is this top? What is the term that is used for this top thing?
Toolbar.
No. Ribbon. Yes. Who told you? Okay. Yeah. It's called ribbon. In Microsoft products, this top thing is referred to as a ribbon.
You mean about those babies?
Yeah. See these icons. All these. This whole thing is ribbons, and these ribbons have these icons. Okay. Or buttons you can call. Okay. Let's go through each one of them. Okay. Let's go through the first ribbon. What is this ribbon called? This ribbon called? Anyone? Kids also? Okay, yeah. Home ribbon. That's very good. Okay. What is this ribbon called? No kids, please. Insert. Yes. What's this ribbon called? Are you two tables understanding? What is this ribbon called? Answer. Rakiji. Huh? No, no.
It's draw ribbon.
I am on draw.
Draw ribbon.
Draw ribbon. Okay. Now this is page layout. Okay, this one. I want to reiterate. That's why I'm asking you questions. What is this ribbon called? Formulas. What about this?
Data ribbon. Review ribbon. Review ribbon.
Ritu, is it? What is this ribbon called? Sorry. What is this ribbon called? Okay. We did the review of ribbons. That's nice. Okay. Now, how do we enter data?
Type in the cell.
Place the cursor.
No kids. Second two tables, last two tables, please.
Okay, it's a literally bound conversation.
Sorry? Okay. Where should I start? Bolo. A. Okay. What should I type? Type A in A1. Okay. I'm going to type in A1. What should I type?
Headings.
Numbers?
Cluster.
Jai Sri Ram.
No, heading.
Okay, let's make a list. Word is different to Excel, right? So Excel is used mainly if you want some tables or something, right? So let's say, let's maybe type a list of all of us, okay? So let's say I am saying first name is my heading. I'm going to type all of your first names and last names. Just creating some data, okay? You also can start typing. First column, first name. Second column, second name.
It's like the honest one and maybe.
First in A1, first name, first space name, and in B1, last name. Is everyone done?
And then we extend the cell.
Okay, yeah.
If you extend the cell,
No.
then this one. You don't need it.
How about the lights there? That side. Try that side. Yeah, that's good. Is that okay? Okay. First name, last name हो गया? Everyone done? Who did not? Oh, age. Do you want to give age? Okay, well done.
Yeah, all aunties are 16.
Okay, kids can have age. Okay. What else? Address.
Address.
Okay, address. Third column is address.
Telephone number.
Whatever you want. Telephone number. Yeah, phone number is better.
So it's addresses.
Everyone knows how to type, right?
Yeah.
Yes, no? I don't know. Veda, do you know how to type? Yes, okay. Hitansh, let him do it. First name, last name, whatever they want. Oh, no, no, no. This is the, okay, first row, because we are preparing a big list, okay? List में क्या होता है? Each column needs to have a name, right? So that's what heading, right? So that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to create a heading now. First row will have heading.
इसका फॉन्ट थोड़ा सा 20 कर सकते 20 कर दो and
Okay, can you all see now?
Yes. You focus. Wait.
Yes, now we can see 7 columns.
Good, everyone. Thank you, Smriti.
సో జూమ్ ఇన్ చేస్తే
Yeah.
ఎక్సెల్ లోనే
Okay. Got it? Don't type your own name. First, we are giving the headings of the list that we are trying to create. Okay? Yes, no? Rakiji? Understood? Ritu? Understood? Meghna? I don't know what's her name. I can't remember. What's your name? Yeah, okay. Okay, so now we have given the heading, right? How many columns? Last two tables, please. How many columns did I do? Last two tables. I want an answer, not you. Yeah, oh, not even Divya. I want aunties. How many columns did I do? 4. Char, okay. Okay. Now what, if we are preparing a list, what are we going to do next? What is the next step?
Write the names first.
Yeah. Yeah, now we are, that's a good term. Now we have the heading for the list. Now we have to enter some data. So now you start entering all your favorite first names, okay? Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, whatever. Hindu, Bindu, whatever. Sindhu, PV Sindhu, yes, Sindhu. Okay? So those are the first names. You can add some. Can you add some?
చేంజ్ ఇట్
Many changes.
కాదు రిమూవ్
Ada, remove. Okay, yeah. Okay, did everyone add some first names? Yes? Respond, yeah. Yes, no, all right. Yes, okay. Now let's add some rap names. Rama Bandari, Sita Bandari. Yeah, Patel. Patel.
Lakshmana Modi.
What? Wait, I know.
Next. Okay. Is everyone comfortable entering the data?
That's the name.
So what did you learn from what is the difference between Word and Excel? Anyone? Last two tables. So can you continuously type? If you continuously type, what happens? See, I'm typing. I want to enter first name, last name, address, and phone number. Okay. In Word, what I'll do is I'm entering last name, first name, last name, address, and phone number. Okay. This is how I type in Word. But here, what are you doing? Yeah. So how are you doing this? So who is using shortcuts? Who is using mouse? What is the shortcut to go right or down?
Down arrow, tab.
Tab.
Down arrow.
Tab goes where?
Side arrow.
Tab goes on to the
Tab moves to columns.
enter goes down. Okay? Tab goes to the side, enter goes down. If you want to come back, what do you do? I want to come this way. What do you do? I am here, okay? I am in phone number, I want to come to address. What do you do?
Go back.
Backspace?
Back arrow. Back arrow.
Yeah, left arrow. There is no back arrow, okay? Left arrow. Okay? Okay, so, and if I want to go up, I want to go up I gave you the answer. That's good. Okay. Okay. I want to go to A1. Cell A1 from here. Who is going to give me the answer? Shortcut. With mouse, everyone can go. I also can go.
Control
I
home.
want a shortcut to reach A1. Who is going to give me?
Control home.
Yes. Sorry. Up arrow, I won't go in. Up arrow how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, सिर्फ up arrow नहीं है ना? I have to go to
Control
A1.
home.
Yeah.
Control
Yes.
home.
Very good. Press control home. There is a home button and a control button. You have to press both simultaneously. Control home. See control home. Thank you. See, I'm there. Okay. I want to go to the end of the list.
Control end.
Home button is there in your laptop. There will be somewhere home button. Okay, one more question. You can write down these shortcuts if you want.
Wolfsbane, Schlegel, Stein, Hosen, Burger, Dog, Circle. Legend, Stein, Hosen, Burger, Dog, Circle. Hey, wait, like, you know this person's last name? Wolf, Schlegel, Stein, Hosen, Burger, Dog, Circle.
Next house. Next.
Control home.
Just tell him. Let him do it.
Already know. Control. We already know.
But why did you write Rama Sita Lakshman in this?
Why would we write it? Why would we write that if we can write Huber, Wolfsburg, Egelstein, Hosenberger, Doctor? And also Barbaric. Yeah, Barbaric. I know one. Huber, Wolfsburg, Burger, Dog, Husenberger, Dog.
Did everyone get that?
Yeah.
Control home? Okay, now I want to get to the end of the spreadsheet. What's the shortcut? बेजा काम कर रही है. Okay, control and end button. Okay, simultaneously. Because we didn't enter the data. If you enter the data, then it will come. We have not entered the data. If you enter the data.
Auntie, how come it's going to 11 instead of 10 over there? When I do control N, it's because unit is going to 11. Because you
You must have done some enters there. That's what.
I have not entered anything.
Where is it?
Regular control and कहाँ जाता है?
Mera, it is going in E, control N. E column में जा
Oh my
रही है.
god, that
यहाँ.
hurts it.
And next step. Next step. Oh. Okay. Let's first learn how to save. Should we save or not? Should we lose? You don't want to save? Okay, don't save. Who wants to save?
You click file and you send it.
Who wants to save? You want to save? Okay, how do you save? How do you save last two tables?
I want to save myself.
Everyone think you want us to say?
Up to you.
Control
Not this data. No, not this data. We'll get something. This is only introduction. Okay. Do you all know how to save? Who don't know how to save? Who don't know? You don't know? Okay, go to file. At the top, go to file and save with the mouse. Okay. If you are not using
Oh, oh.
Shortcut for saving. Who is going to tell me last two tables? Yes. Very well done, Rakiji. Okay, control S. And first time it is going to ask you some name. Okay, give some book one or whatever.
It's there.
Whatever.
It's there.
I'm saving it as book one. Okay.
Issues of where they are saying.
Yeah. All that. Okay.
Stop.
Where are you saving? Where are you saving? Do you know where you are saving? Where did you save? Do you know where you are saving? Huh? Desktop. Okay. Where are you saving? Meghna, where are you saving? You know, right? Rakiji, you know where you are saving. Okay. Zidan, do you know where you are saving? Did you save?
Yes,
Do you know where you are saving? Yes?
Auntie, so we got this random person same as Wolfslegelstein, Hosenberger, dog. We found online.
Okay. Now,
He's finding it funny because he came there and he got it back.
okay, next pointers. Let me see my pointers. Okay, now I'll share some more shortcuts. How do you select a row? Shift what? Select a row.
Shift 5. Shift row number.
Shift, then down arrow. Then you have to click on the particular.
So you
cell,
select the same.
whatever you want and
Mm,
then
the Schumann
click down arrow.
Down arrow or
Ah,
Place the cursor and shift. Then it is ready.
Then you select the row. You can start
okay.
stop it.
Any other answers? How do you select a row?
Click the cursor.
How do you select a row? Any answers?
Just
Mouse say yaar.
put your arrow on the A.
See. Okay. See mouse say. If you see the arrow changed, can you see that? When you hover over on number, whichever row you want to select, that way you select the entire row. Okay. But there are some shortcuts. I'm just going to type something here. And now I'll give you some shortcuts, okay? That works only when something is typed. Okay, so now I want to select just this row only till what the data is. For that, Control, Shift and right arrow. Okay, that is if you are on the left side. How about I am on the right side? What do I use to control
Control shift.
to select that row?
Shift control shift.
Nobody is listening to me.
Control shift.
Control, Shift and left arrow. Okay, now this name I know. Veena Gadu. Veena Pakanna parent. Okay. Did you get it or not? Okay. Last two tables, please pay attention. Last two tables, please pay attention.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 0, how 0 to
Veena, no.
Wolfslegelstein,
Did you get the shortcuts?
Wait, remember.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, answer. I want to select this row. Row number 5. What is the shortcut? My cursor is here. My cursor is here. I want to select the whole row where there is data. What is the answer?
Click on number 5.
No, that is the whole row. I want only the data. Wait, I want her to answer.
But then,
Right arrow goes this way. Because my cursor is here, I want to go this way. Control Shift and
what? Why is the address?
left arrow. Because I want to come this way.
Look at the address.
Yeah.
Look at the phone number.
Yeah, okay.
Look at the address.
Control Shift and left arrow. Okay, Control Shift and left arrow. Okay. Now, I don't know what's your name. Pratiksha. Okay, Pratiksha. I want to go up. I want to select these. Okay. I want to select this from here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to select that. And my cursor is here. What should I do? Click what? No. You don't need to click all. You just, because your cursor is here, you can start Control Shift and up arrow. You have to press all three simultaneously. Can you try? Can you try?
Bruno yacht. About Bruno. Bruno man. Bruno nobody cares. Like this. That's not good. We're gonna do something. Look at the phone number of the. Look at the phone number of the. Oh, those are very unique. phone
Okay. Got it? So you all know how to select wherever your cursor is. Yes or no? Rituji? Yes?
numbers.
I'm not worried about kids. Kids are okay. Geeta ji? Done? Okay. Okay, so now, I want to center. See, this is left align, right? I want to center. What's the shortcut? I also don't know the shortcut, but I'm asking. See, this is left align, right?
Right click and there is a format.
Right click, no need. You can just click here.
That's it.
Right click, I think she's saying the option format.
Yes, that's it.
Right click format and then you
See this one. Yeah. See this one.
Oh.
No, this is today.
See this is.
This is not the shortcut.
Can you see the icon there?
You can't get a
Yes, yes.
Center align. What is the shortcut?
Select the cell and go to the ribbon and click on the icon.
Yeah, go to the ribbon and click on the icon. That is not a shortcut, but yeah, that's not a shortcut. Okay.
home with them.
In Word it works. Control L, Control E, and Control R, but it's not working here. So okay. Anyway, okay. Now I want to. Everyone paying attention? I want to. Write a paragraph, 2 lines in a cell. How do you do that? Okay, I'm wrapping the text here. How do you wrap? Everyone knows how to wrap? What is wrap? Is that the wrap? No.
Putting everything under one cell so that.
Okay, what is wrap is, see, if I typed a lot of text here,
It goes like underneath.
and if I removed whatever I had in last name, so it just continues. If I have something here, let's say I'm having Ritu here, okay? If I do Ritu, it's getting cut. We are not able to see what is there in the cell, right? Up here you can see a lot, but here you are not able to see. I think I'll type something meaningful. Roses are beautiful flowers. Flowers, okay? See what you are seeing? You are not seeing. Okay, let me do this.
You can just say.
You you drag this, right? Lamba chauda. You can more than this. Keep dragging. So you won't, if you keep dragging, what happens is you can't see these columns, right? So in order to not drag these and also see other columns at the same time. Yes, away. Other columns at the same time. What you do is you do something called a wrapping within the cell. WRAP. Okay. How do you wrap? See, there is an icon here. That is orientation. See here, which says wrap text. Can you see? Can you see wrap text in your Excel? So click highlight this cell where you want to wrap and then click on wrap text.
No, I'm not going.
See, can you see flowers now? Roses are beautiful flowers, right? You can see that. So that is what is called wrapping. Okay.
It wraps the whole.
Wait.
Every.
Okay, now I want to add a different sentence to the same thing. What do I do? So if I start typing, wrapping, but what I want is I want to add it in a different line. How do I do that? What is the shortcut? No, insert doesn't work.
Alt enter.
Chup kar. Yeah. No. Merge and center, I'll come to that later. No, it's not merge. Sorry? No, autofill column also will come later, maybe intermediate.
Can you ask the question again?
Okay, so see here, I want you to do this. Roses are beautiful flowers, full stop. And I want this space. Can you see space here? See that space? I want you to type that space and then type another sentence there. Can you try and do it? I just want you to try and do it. You can do it, and
Oh, and you just write. We don't have anything that's that mental. I dare you to scroll. Dang. True puppy mullet.
Yeah.
So. Like screaming right now. Scream, it's not gonna detect unless you scream it. Scream like scream. 1, 2, 3.
okay, can you type? Did you type like this? Were you able to type like this? Yes? Okay, type this. एक sentence बोलना यार.
Veda is not here.
No.
Oh, Veda is a good girl.
No.
Veda's a girl.
You need like any help?
Okay, can you type or not? Yes or no?
No.
No?
No.
Not you.
No.
Yes, no, right?
The text.
So can you type like without the space? Can you all type without the space? Yes? So roses are beautiful and Bharati Mandir is very helpful in whatever, 2 sentences, right? So wherever you want a break, you go here. Inside, you go here into the formula bar. See, this is called formula bar. Okay? And wherever you want, place your cursor there. Wherever you want to give the gap, place your cursor there. And the shortcut is Alt Enter. If you want a space, you might have to use Alt Enter twice. Did everyone get it? Yes? Who did not get it?
After this, Pani gonna put.
There's legit no space within there. What are you doing? Yeah. What? That's space. Oh my god, you don't know how to read it.
No, you can send it. Any difficulty?
If I go here. Go there. I wrote something.
I did.
Write it. Read it.
Say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
No, say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's really loud.
Hello. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Hi. Oh my gosh.
Say 4.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Wait. I can do this.
Let's take a 10-minute break, please.
Auntie, can you connect?
10 minutes break. So your time starts now. अंदर केटल में पानी गर्म है, ग्लास भी रखा है, दूध है, टी बैग्स है, बिस्किट्स है. प्लीज चाय अपनी अपनी बनाइए एंड एंजॉय.
और मेरी चाय
ओके, अच्छा चलो, ये कह रही है तो एडवांस कोर्स में इफ यू आर जो भी अगर सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स हैं और वो एडवांस को पढ़ाते हैं तो उनको भजिया खिलाएंगे लास्ट.
Keep your work. क्या है?
Yeah, like.
जो सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स हैं हर क्लास को अटेंड करें, पूरा काम करें.
I have my migrant letter assignment due on Friday.
Oh, that
I
one.
hate it. It's so
It
boring.
is actually.
I know, like.
That was actually one, but I got an excellent.
Except for Pacific Island. We don't know.
With a full is bad, unless it's a staff teacher. Only teachers are allowed to bully.
That is Mr. Murder. Okay.
No. Only teachers are allowed to bully.
So let's connect it.
Thanks.
Yeah. Everyone hates the bully.
Bully the bully with the bully. No, I can get it.
No, it's broken itself. Broken. But just leave. We can get it after we can.
It's like cardboard.
No, it's all over. Just
No, like get something right done.
no, it doesn't matter. Let's just break 10 minutes and then after the break is finished, we can sort it out. Like it. No, keep it open. Keep it open. Wait.
The old LSA bars.
No, I didn't eat the full one. I have the remaining, the small one. The powder to the chicken. Don't flour. I'm going.
But like, don't do that. That will keep falling. You're gonna damage it. Don't touch it. Is this you? Wasn't falling down. Please don't stand. Down. Just get me another question, please. I'm gonna do my homework. What? Yeah, but I went 10-minute break. Just let me do my break is not. They're not good. I told you when we are not twisted. Oh, bro, we had to do an assignment on human rights.
What? So Mr. Canada has the various assignments of
No, it's not Mr. Kappan's assignment. It
Yeah,
just says
fine.
social studies departments.
ఈ రిబ్బన్ పెద్దగా చేయడం ఉందా రిబ్బన్ పెద్దగా చేయడం Zoom it చేయడం
There is no.
Careful on the floor. No, Veda, not now. Careful laptop.
Alright, before Mr. Murdoch sees you again, you might wanna.
Oh no, okay. So I got that sorted. Mr. Cam cares so much about it, and Mr. Murdoch doesn't care about it anymore because my dad said that he'll get it done, right? And then Mr. Murdoch is caring so much that he said, if teachers are nagging, you just come to me and I'll give you a uniform pass. And Mr. Cameron was like, if we don't get shaved tonight, that's it, or something. He's like, you have to do it tonight. I'll be having.
Pratik, get over here. Give me a proper one.
We eat it.
No, I was broken.
Wait, oh, sorry. No,
Crazy.
Oh.
You go to the expo?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I closed it.
Yeah, because like, yeah. We put it down so then like you guys don't jump around and then it smashes. Oh my God, whose computer is this? That's cheap. But do you know whose computer? No, no, it's okay. I never. Okay, just use it. That is. That's Hushers. I mean, Hushers. Just Hushers. My guy, I got a mouse pad. Yeah, program a mouse pad just got denied. Oh. There's no way. You turn this off. You turn it off. So how is the charitable trust going?
Good, I guess. Nothing much really done.
I'm probably gonna donate something.
Hmm?
Donate money. I might donate some money.
Mm,
Why money? I was already part of it. Oh, money. That's money. Tamaras. Windows.
Oh my God.
System slide. Since terminals. Did you know people put cocaine in coke?
What?
Yeah.
That's
Apparently,
just mucked
back
up.
like then, like they actually did.
Olden days, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Oh, okay, I got like what the. Yeah.
Bro, that's like.
Yeah, I was like, okay.
You said this.
Can we send that? ఏం అనుకుంటే ఒక హ్యాండ్
Like sell sheet to do with like stock market.
ఇక్కడ వైఫై అవుతుంది లాంగ్ రియలీ స్లో ఉంది
దీని నుంచి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను.
What subjects are you planning to take?
German
I recommend
and
just not.
finance and enterprise. But like the thing is I'm really keen into German.
Okay.
Yeah,
You got to.
yeah, that's the thing.
I mean, you can just search up like.
Yeah, whatever. Like, I don't care about AI these days.
Bro, just go like. You're so sad.
Yeah. Is Baji Baji coming next time? Is Baji Baji coming next time? Suraj.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I know.
That's like a stay where he has day off.
Yeah, that's with me as well. Max. Well, we technically, yeah, seniors get to go early to be on Wednesdays, but then like,
I recommend finance and enterprise.
yeah, I am gonna do finance and enterprise no matter what.
Just do outdoor ed and tech as well.
So what happens is that if I take a language, I'm only able to take 1.5 semester. We mucked it up.
No, it's not marked it up. Look. So what happened with us is that it takes up to your slots and you have to take two
What we got told is that we can only choose one other thing, language. I know, right? Like, what we did in the other half semester, can you just go home and do crap? I'm like, sure.
free period on year 10.
Yeah, sure. I'm happy to do that.
No, but you should do outdoor ed.
Yeah, I was thinking of outdoor it, but then
It's
I was,
fun.
then if I take a language and I can only take enterprise.
Personally, I don't recommend you taking a language. You just go and do it. Nah, like I was really interested in Japanese, but now I know. I just learned enough from anime anyway. Just watch German movies.
Bro, I hate Japanese. There's so much to write. Hiragana.
Oh yeah, hiragana. It's not easy.
It's better, huh?
Well, but I do recommend you like.
Hindi?
Are you wondering this is future? There's also agriculture and stuff.
అంటే
మ్యాగ్నిఫై చేసావు.
Dry. It's no joke. Dry.
అలా చేయొచ్చు కావాలి.
You want to play box today?
అంటే కర్సర్ మూవ్ అవుతే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా.
You want to play Shine? Wait, what the question?
ప్రాజెక్ట్ వచ్చి స్క్రీన్ ప్లే చేయొచ్చా?
ప్రొజెక్ట్ తోనా?
Oh yeah. I should change the Instagram a little bit. Guys, can you go aside, please? Just on
జూమ్ ఇట్ పెట్టాను. కంట్రోల్ 2 కంట్రోల్ 2 కాదు, కంట్రోల్ 1.
Control. Stack this. I will.
Gatti?
You're taking, hey man, what are you doing?
Timer.
I recommend you taking outdoor activities.
Does that okay? That goes away. Well, okay, yeah, never mind. But
You can also take like agriculture.
nah, hell no.
What do you plan on doing when you're older?
IT, you know that.
I do. Oh yeah, obviously. Oh, that's just
Yeah.
so I recommend you taking tech.
Control 4. Okay.
I recommend you taking tech.
Okay, is this better or is this oh,
I recommend you taking tech then it feel like computer.
okay, tech in year 9, year 10, I'm not into it.
Yeah, and anyway after that. So you're gonna have to
I'll be
learn-
doing digital tech.
Yeah, but you can't do that unless you do.
No, you don't. Not what I got to
Digital
do.
tech is not on year 10. If you
Yeah,
want to take in year,
I'm not gonna do in year 10. I'm not because tech is technically product design or VC. I don't want to do any of those. I hate.
yeah, but you have to do them to get into year 11.
That's not what I got told from year 11 tech teacher.
Because look, like what?
I'll ask her tomorrow.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure that you have to take the base subject, the base, before they let you.
Well, we already did tech in year 9, to be honest. But
Yeah,
it's
but like you
shit.
can take as well. Because you get to do coding on Sphero, which is pretty much block coding.
I know. Yeah. Control 4. Control 4. Up, control up. Look at it. Zoom.
Just have a look, like consider all the subjects.
So control 1 కాకుండా control 4 అంటే చూపిస్తుంది.
Okay. Okay, are we having seats or not? You know that? Raki ji, Geeta ji, Vinaya ji. I hope all of you are paying attention. Kyunki at the end of the course, we will have some test, okay? No, not today. Not today, end of the course, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 5 weeks, I don't know.
जो होमवर्क करेगा जो कहना मानेगा जो पूरा और टेस्ट भी दोगी ना
हाँ
नहीं
चॉकलेट नहीं
सरप्राइज पहले से बता देंगे तो फिर उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं रहेगी
Yeah, surprise. Okay, please listen. Whatever I am covering in the class, only those only will come. Okay, so now let's go through this ribbon, okay? We will go through the home ribbon now today. We'll have about half an hour. Who knows how to copy?
Control C.
Pratiksha, do you know how to copy? Copy paste, you know? Yes?
Control
What is the
C.
shortcut? Control V is paste. How do you copy before paste?
Control C.
Perfect. Okay, so now see there is a X button here. Can you all see in your thing? Yes or no? No? X, this X. See this one, scissors. Scissors, not X button, scissors. Yeah, sorry. Can you all see now?
Yeah.
And what is this? There is very good. Yeah. Okay. And control C here, you can see the shortcut. Control C. What is the shortcut for X? Sorry. Scissors. Control X. And for paste is Control V. Okay, in Excel, we have a lot of options for pasting. We will learn that now, okay? I'm going to copy, let's say this one, okay? I'm going to copy. So copy Control C. How do I know that it is copied? Anyone? From the last two tables? I'm not looking here. I'm not looking here. No kids. Pratiksha or Rakiji. How do I know that I have copied? Look at the screen. Can you see something? What did I copy? Yeah, not last name, that particular cell. Only one cell I copied. Okay. So because it is surrounded by lighting Ariana, so that it is surrounded. So that is what I have copied. And I want to paste. Okay. I am pasting it here. What do I do? Control V. This is basic copy and paste. Okay. So this didn't go yet, right? That means it is still available for us to copy. As soon as we start typing something, and start typing something here, that goes. Okay. So now that is one part of copy pasting. Okay. Now now okay, now we will see copy paste different angles. Okay, I'm now copying these three cells. Okay, those are called three cells. I'm not copying the whole column. Okay, let's copy 5 cells. Okay, Control C is the same, copy is the same. Now here there is a small drop down. Can you see that? See, there is a drop down. Okay, now in that drop down you have lot of things. If you want to know what those are, just go and click on paste special. Okay, I want you all to do copy a few cells, either rows or columns. Maybe for now 5 columns in a column 5 cells. Copy that like how I have done, and then click on paste special.
My face, that
First you need to Control C. First Control C. Is everyone here? Did everyone get this dancing dabba? Dancing dabba? Yes?
yeah.
Who did not get? Pratiksha. Rakhi.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This is the main screen you should be seeing.
Okay. So everyone got till here, right? Now what we'll do is paying attention. Now what we'll do is we will turn that column to a row like this. Okay? How do we do that? Anyone? We have this column here. I have copied this one. I want to paste it here like a row. Like a row. Select a row and paste. Okay? I'm selecting a row. Okay, I'm selecting a row. What row? Like this?
Keep on cell
And
and right and
shift and right arrow. Yeah. 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 And Yeah, I control V there.
Oh my god.
Okay, so that's not the way. So what did it do? See that what did that do?
But I was like,
Copied 5 times because we have selected 5 cells and pasted. It copied 5 times, but it copied this way. But we want it that way. How do we do that? I want in a row. See, still my copy is on because this dancing dabba is there. Okay. Now I want this in this row. Okay. Now listen carefully. Wherever you want, first you place the cursor there. So you select that cell like how I am selecting. You also select.
म्यूट करके बैठी है मैं अभी मैं 7:30 के घर पे आई
Okay, so now I'm selecting here. Now go to paste special. Click on the arrow and go to paste special. Okay, a window opens. Can you all see this window? See this window. Okay, in this window, see there are a lot of things, options. If the cell contains formulas, you can just copy formulas. If the cell contains values, you can just copy values. Or if you want to just copy formats, you can just copy formats. You can try all these. And if the cell contains comments and notes, you can just copy comments and notes. All these are there. But what we are interested is, see, there is something called transpose. Okay. Can you see that transpose there?
Yeah.
Who can't see? Who cannot see? Pratiksha, can you see? Okay. Now, tick on that because we want that. Okay. And now say okay. And now observe what happens.
Oh, इसमें
Did everyone get this effect?
no.
No? Yes? Who is no?
Me. Yeah.
The column?
I select this and it became like.
Copy. No. What you did? You still have copy, right?
Yeah, it's from.
The dancing dabba is there. No? Just click on one cell. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
And now paste special.
Paste special transfer. Then
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
Depends on what you select.
Why do you want to do that? Ice cream. You like dancing dabba? Crazy man. A crazy man. Hey, what's wrong with the word crazy? Man.
Okay, now let's use some of the other very special features. Is everyone okay? Meghna ji? Okay, so now I am giving some format here, okay? I am just, I have highlighted these two cells with yellow, fill those two cells with yellow. How many of you know that it is fill? Can you fill? See this pouring dabba. Pouring dabba. Can you see that icon? Pouring dabba icon?
Pouring paint can.
Paint can. See this one. Okay. Here, if you click on that side arrow, you can choose your color. I like yellow, so I chose yellow. No. I like yellow only in Excel, not anywhere else. Okay, did you paint your cells? Whatever cells, few cells, okay?
Like,
Painted,
I like orange.
okay. And do you want to change your text color?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's change the text color. Okay, text color, how do you change the text color? Veda is going. A.
Alphabet.
Text is A. You have a
Voting
A.
box A.
Bajame.
Red color. Okay, okay, so what we are doing is there is an A here. Okay. Pratiksha, Rakhi, Ritu. You can again click on the arrow here and change your colors. Okay. Okay, she wants to do purple. Okay, go purple. Okay. So the text in those boxes have changed to purple. Have you changed the bus color and the writing as well? Okay. Now let's do the. Now what we do is we'll use a paste special feature. Okay. Now. Okay. Select those two or wherever you have changed the colors and the text colors. I have selected these two because I have changed these two. And see there is a, oh, you can use a shortcut, this thing, you don't need to use a copy and paste here. If you want to paste just the format, what you can do is there is a brush like icon here. See, there is a brush like icon. What's happening? There is a brush like icon here. Can you see that?
Yes.
So now what you do is you click on that, highlight, you need to highlight both one or two cells and then click on that. What you are doing is you are copying the format and you don't need to do anything. Just pay attention what I'm doing here. I want all these 5 cells of the same format. So I'm just dragging and dropping. See, the format has come. Can you all do it? No? Okay. Changing the form. I'm just trying to show the features. So if you want to copy the format, like filling of the cells and the text color, what you need to do is just, no need to copy. What you need to do is highlight that and then click on that paintbrush wala icon.
Yeah.
It's called Format Painter. What is it called?
Format painter.
Format Painter. So once you click on that, where do you decide where do you want the same format? Which cells you want the same format? So I want these cells. So I'm selecting and then leaving the mouse. And then it automatically comes. Yeah. So if you have bold, it comes bold, whatever formatting you have, it comes there. Understood or not?
Understood. Very,
Any
very,
questions?
Let the color change.
very, very understood.
Text color, if you change, that also will come. Yeah, Hitansh.
Paint formatter is only for changing the paint on the thing, right? Like
Yeah,
changing the color.
format.
So like the actual
Only the format will change, nothing else.
अच्छा कोई ना चल
Any questions?
मैं घर से कर रही हूँ तो मैं वही से
Pratiksha, Rakhi, any questions? No questions? Okay.
मैंने बोला हाँ लिंक चल रही है मैं
What
टीम्स
does this do?
हाँ सही ओके चल
What does this do? These two tables. Bold. And everyone knows what bold is?
Yes.
No. Who
Yes.
doesn't know?
I do know.
Who doesn't know? Do you know? You don't know? Okay. Go to the first header row and then try that. Just click on that. What happened?
Gold is gold. Gold is gold.
Click on the header row and click on B. Just observe what happened. Pratiksha Rakhi. Do you understand what B is? Okay, what is I?
It's italic.
Italic. Italics or italics or whatever.
Make your text like.
Do you know what that is?
I know it is. It's slant.
Slant. Okay. What is U?
It's underlined. U is underlined.
So underline. Pratiksha,
They should put some like under.
getting it? B, I and U.
U. U.
U. Okay, what is this?
That's font size.
अच्छे सारे. Font.
Font size.
Okay, what font shall we use?
Arial. Arial. I don't even know what that is. Use audio. Comic Sans. Comic Sans. Oh, definitely. Comic Sans. Okay. No, audio.
You can try different fonts.
Can you try audio?
So
Can you please do Comic Sans?
you can click on the drop down. If you click on the drop down, see there is the format is already in the font. So I'm trying Algerian.
Can you please do Comic Sans? What was that font? Underliner. What was the first name? What was a font for the first name?
Algerian.
Algerian. Calibri.
And Rafi.
Unmute. It's unmute. Say.
Okay. What is 24 here?
Sir, leave it. Please. That doesn't sound right.
Okay, what is 24 here?
Size.
Font size. So can we increase?
Yes.
What will happen?
It just becomes bigger. It increases.
बड़ा हो गया. Okay. Okay. What are these? What are these?
Alignments.
Yeah. So top alignment is these ones. These ones. So what is the difference between these three? These six. Anyone? Three, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that? Okay, I'll just increase a bit. See those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. this is alignment means the text will come in the top. And if it is middle alignment, the text will come in the middle. And if it is in the bottom alignment, then it is the text will come in the bottom. Okay. And these ones is left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Okay. Now, because this is highlighted, this is bottom, right? Now I am doing it middle. Middle mein text came in the middle, right? You saw that. And then if I say top, it comes top. Okay. And already this is what? Top and left aligned. This is top and left aligned. Okay. Now what is this? Who is going to tell?
Which one?
Now what is this? Center, not middle, center. Top, center. Okay. And what is this?
Top right.
Top right. What is this?
Top middle.
No.
Top center middle. Right middle.
Middle right. Okay. What is this? Bottom right. Yes, very good. Samajh mein aayi? Okay. Now there are two other icons here. See these two. This is what is called an indent. If you click on this, let's see what happens. See, I'm just going here and I'm clicking on this. See, it has given a tab indent. Okay. And if I click on this, it goes this way. If you want to indent twice or thrice, you can just click on that. And if you want to go back, you can go back. So increase indent and decrease indent. Okay. Now, there is another icon here, which is called merge and center. Okay. Now, what will happen? I want you to answer. So please pay attention. What will happen if I merge these two cells?
It will become one cell.
Will they become one cell? So what you are saying is, if they become one cell, what will happen to these values? Let's have some meaningful values here.
10.
Okay. I'm copying the format. Let's see what happens. Okay, I have these two. Okay, I'm merging these two. What will happen? Jyoti will come or Jyoti Parashar will come? Parashar will come. Let's have a look. See, what is there is an, what is it called? Warning here. Merging cell only keeps the upper cell left value. So only Jyoti will come, not Jyoti Parashar. Okay. So you need to be careful when you are merging. So if you want to merge, what you need to do is Control X, go there, add, P, and now you merge. Mainly this merging is used if you have two columns data and then you want to give the same header to both the columns. So if you, for example, you can merge these two and say full name or something like that. Okay, so that is what you should use, and that will center and then merge. Okay, so we have done this whole part general. Okay, so this is all formatting. So for example, if we have, let's get here, these are all formats of for numbers. Let's say I want $100. What do? I want to type 100 here. Should we type $100 or what do we do? So there is a dollar here. Can you all see dollar? So I just click there. If I click there, it automatically came. Can you all do that? Type a number and then dollar sign.
Oh yeah, doesn't it like because dollar like money is always with two decimal places, but you can make the decimal places larger.
Did everyone type 100 and then dollar? Did you get 100.00? No? 1000, whatever. Bade, hum to chote. Okay. Did everyone get 100.00? Yes? I want to remove the .00. What do we do? No. Can you all see these two buttons here? Yes or no? Okay. Decrease decimal. एक बार करे तो 10 निकल जाएगी. दूसरी बार करो. दोनों उड़ गए. Okay, so I want to put it again. What do you do? Click on the button. Okay, keep on increasing. 0 से है ना? Increase कर लो. Okay, got it? Okay, राखी जी बोल रही है 1000 कर लो. मैं 10,000 करूंगी. ठीक है? Now. Okay, I am doing somewhere else. Okay, 10,000. Okay, this is just a number. Okay, but I want to put a comma. What do you do? Easy है यार वहाँ दिख रही है.
What's the question?
I want to put a comma because in accounting you put 10, 10,000, right? How do you do that?
Put a comma.
बच्चे easy है. बच्चे नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
You kind of just put a comma.
Comma है ना वहाँ पे. Select the person.
Yes. So can you all see the comma button there?
Next to person.
Rakhi ji, Ritu ji.
Auntie, can't you just do comma on your keyboard?
No. If you do that, then it's not considered as a number. Okay. The question here is, can you do a comma?
Yes.
Huh?
No.
Where?
See, can you do like this? 10, 1,000.
You can't.
No.
No.
I'm
It
trying.
is better not to do. Because if you do that without doing the format, when you are adding up, this sometimes is, at the moment today, it's not doing that as a text. Otherwise, it will be considered as a text. Yeah. So better to do this rather than, and then do this rather than putting a comma.
Auntie,
समझ में आई?
Auntie, but that takes so long.
उड़ गई. पेजा से उड़ गई, समझ में आई.
Is there like a quicker way to do it? Because that will take so long when you're doing all of the process.
Select everything and then.
It still takes too long.
No. Okay. Did you understand? Understand or not? Understood or not? Yeah.
Because it's 0.00 there. How do you even have
Mommy, because mommy, money is calculated in two decimal places.
No, but if you want to remove, you can remove, not decrease indent.
Yeah, that's you can.
Decrease dot dot.
doing 100 and then comma? Possibly 10,000.
Ha. Any questions? Rakhi ji, Pratiksha, any questions? आज के लिए काफी है? हाँ? चलो. ओके, आज के लिए काफी है.
आज के लिए काफी है. बहुत हो गया.
हो गया ना? Did you learn something? हाँ, कॉफी नहीं है, चाय है. Did you learn something?
Yes.
Will you remember by next class?
Probably.
थोड़ा क्वेश्चंस हो जाएंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में, थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करके आना, ठीक है? Because they are not understanding, I want to make sure that, yeah, I want to make sure. Okay,
Sitting now.
shutting down, yes.
Sitting down and go to sleep.
I'm not going to sleep. While say, do I need to save it?
Up to you if you want to save it, it's okay, my Nidros.
Thank you so much.
Okay, no worries.
Will come prepared. Yeah, will come prepared. Bye, beta. Learn from the guru. Learn from the guru. Yeah, he is my guru for everything. Come on. Guruji, come.
You were telling the younger one.
See you all next Wednesday. If you have any issues, you can call us in group, read out, review. But you can always call me as well. Give me a